IPERION's second doctoral summer school, titled Environmental Impact on Built Heritage and its Digitalization, will be held from 17th to 21st July this year at Slovenian National Building and Civil Engineering Institute in Ljubljana, Slovenia. The IPERION doctoral summer schools are part of Academy, providing a learning, multidisciplinary, interactive experience in the field of heritage science. Each year, it is organized by different institutions on different focus. Theoretical and technical lectures will be presented by a wide range of international experts in the field of heritage science. All lectures are intended to provide an overview of the state of the art as well as specific details on the topic. IPERION Doctoral Summer School is aimed at providing examples of excellence in heritage science in the environmental impact on built heritage and its digitalization. The summer school will comprise of 5 full days of lectures during which participants will become acquainted with the multidisciplinary skills of IPERION consortium and knowledge accumulated by the partners. Issues such as materials and procedures for low environmental impacts, new methods for preservation of buildings and structures, digitalization and social and economical impacts will be presented and discussed. We will also go to an excursion to Sitarjevec, a polymineral mine in the central Slovenia, which was converted to touristic purposes and digitalized by ZAC's researchers. There will be another short excursion in Ljubljana city center and 2 social events. One, an organized boat tour on Ljubljanica River, and another one that will be a walking and running tour in Tivoli, combining some easy exercise with sightseeing. You are very welcome to join us on the summer school.